ఎంసెట్ స్ట్రెస్సా? Testonic.ai ని ట్రై చేయండి. ఫ్రీ మాక్ టెస్ట్, కస్టమ్ టెస్ట్, AI ఇన్సైట్స్ మరియు పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ట్రాకింగ్ కూడా. రిజిస్టర్ నౌ.
ஈ படத்தில் எல்லாருமே ரசித்தோம். ஈ படத்தில் ஏன்டா நானி இறந்தாரு அப்படின்ற ஃபீல் இருந்தது. பட் இந்த படத்தில் என்னடா எல்லாரும் சாவடிக்கிறாரே அப்படின்ற பயம் வருது. ரத்தம் தெரிக்கும்.
No, not Kanum. First of all, I think I was always there. It kept growing with each film. I think now, especially my last 5 films have been watched by a lot of Tamil audience, and I get lot of love with each film. And yes, I think in Eager they really loved that innocent boy. Now watch my other version on May 1st.